Namaskaram. These days, we often hear the word detox being thrown around as a solution to a whole lot of health disorders. When done right, detoxification can certainly be a solution to many health concerns that have been spreading far and wide in our modern society. So what is detoxification? Detoxification is the process of getting rid of accumulated toxins from the cells and organs of the body, especially the liver. This process can be carried out either physiologically or medically. When done in regular intervals, detoxification can not just help prevent the onset of multiple health problems, but also enhance one's immunity. Let us explore a few drinks that can aid the process of thorough detoxification of the body. First, consuming a decoction of half teaspoon ginger juice, cumin seeds and coriander seeds along with 1 teaspoon honey, juice of about half a lemon and 3 cups of water to an empty stomach can be a very effective remedy. Second, soak cumin, coriander and fennel seeds overnight in water and consume this first thing in the morning to clear the system. Alternatively, you can also dry roast these seeds and grind them into the powdered form. Now, mix 1 teaspoon of this powder in a glass of hot water and consume this on an empty stomach. Mix half teaspoon ginger and cinnamon powder along with 1 to 2 cloves in a glass of water and drink this on an empty stomach. Next, drink a glass of water with 1 teaspoon honey and half lemon squeezed in. Next, add 1 to 2 medium-sized apples and 1 lemon cut into small pieces in half liter boiling water and boil it further for about 5 minutes. Now turn off the stove, cover this water with a lid and leave for about 10 minutes. Then strain the liquid, add some mishri if you wish and drink it on an empty stomach for best results. Next, consume raw papaya juice mixed with some honey in it. Next, drink fresh aloe vera juice on its own or with some fresh orange juice on an empty stomach. Next, regular consumption of freshly churned buttermilk with a pinch of rock salt and ginger added to it. Let us know in the comments below which topic you'd love for us to cover next. We'll see you soon. Pranam.